All right, let's go ahead and take a quick look at number four. Number four, actually, I'm looking at your answers. Your answers aren't too bad on number four, but there's something that's really important that I think has been lost a little bit. So here we have our object. It's not moving. You can tell it's not moving. Arrow here, ocean map. Here it is moving. Here it's not moving. And we have it sitting here on a spring. Now, I think I've actually gotten the pie chart part correct. Here we have a bunch of energy stored elastically. Here, that energy is no longer stored elastically. Instead, it's now moving, this object is now moving up and it's off the ground. So some of that energy is stored gravitationally and some of that energy is stored kinetically. And then finally here at the end, it's not moving anymore. So it doesn't have any energy stored kinetically. Instead, all of this energy is stored gravitationally. And this is great, and I think this is mostly what I've seen from you guys, but the one thing I really need to point out is it's important to recognize where your energy is being stored. In the beginning here, all of this energy is stored in spring, but after that, it's stored all in the object. Um, so what we just did here is we just changed our system, and we are not allowed to do that. Important that we recognize where the energy actually it's important that we recognize where the energy actually is. So here's what we have to do is we have to include everything that we care about in our system. So our system can't just be the spring, it has to be the spring object. Now, I haven't been too picky on people drawing these dotted lines. I should be. They are important. However, they're not incredibly useful for easy problems, but when problems get more and more difficult, dotted lines are going to help you so much. So please draw them and recognize where this energy is being stored. Draw this dotted line. We are saying, hey, this energy stored elastically is stored somewhere in this system. This energy stored gravitationally and kinetically is stored somewhere in the system. You don't have to switch what objects we're talking about.